Hello students, in my previous video I already explained about the conversion from binary to decimal, binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal, and in previous videos I also explained about the decimal to all conversions like decimal to binary, decimal to octal and hexadecimal all. But in today's video I will going to explain you octal to all conversions like octal to binary, octal to decimal and octal to hexadecimal conversion. But what happened, there is such a difference between the binary and the octal. Like as we are talking about previously, we are talking about the architecture which is actually going to manage by the computer system. So a binary takes only two places, either 0 or 1 or both, I can say that. But in the as we are talking about the octal takes 3-digit architecture, and it will difficult to convert or conclude the octal number into the binary form. So we need to first convert our octal number into the decimal first, and that decimal number will going to convert into the binary form. So, and this procedure is actually uh, happen in some situations. There are two ways for converting the octal number into the binary. You can do this procedure by converting first number into the decimal, and then decimal number will going to convert into binary form. And you can use octal table, which I will going to discuss you in this lecture. So there are two methods, you can go with both, no problem. So I just going to discuss with you what is the problem behind it and what we are going. So we are going to convert octal to binary, octal to decimal and octal to hexadecimal. But there are two ways to convert octal to binary form. So first we are going to convert octal to binary, or we can say is that what 8 is equal to what 2. But there are two methods, I precisely says to you. You cannot actually convert directly 8 octal to binary, so you need to convert this octal number previously in some decimal form, then this decimal form will going to convert in this binary. Okay, so my problem number is 41. 8 is equal to what 10 is equal to what 2, right? So 41 8 is equals to, from right left derivative to the leftmost derivative, we need to write 1 into 8 to the power 0, likewise जैसा हम लोग बाइनरी में करते थे, and 4 into 8 to the power 1. Here it comes 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. 10 और हमारे पास में आ चुके हैं एक डेसिमल नंबर. ना इस डेसिमल को हमको ज़रूरत है कि बिकॉज बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना था. सो डेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्जन करने के लिए 33, and we need to divide it by 2 and concentrate our mind on the reminders. So 2, that is 1 6, remainder 1, 2, that is 8, remainder 0, 2 4, remainder 0, 2 2, remainder 0, 2 1, 1 is left, it is not divisible by 2, that is 1. So equivalent binary we number got is equals to 1 0 0 0 0 1 2. हैंस बिकॉज हम लोगों ने इसको बॉटम टू टॉप असाइन किया है. हैंस 41 8 we got 100,001 is our answer. So that is the procedure. Octal to binary, we need to convert this number into first into the decimal and then in binary. So हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट इस नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करा. डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ऑक्टेल है, इसलिए 8 की पावर को राइट मोस्ट से लेफ्ट मोस्ट तक जाने तक इंक्रीज़ करते गए और पर्टिकुलर नंबर जो है उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करते गए, प्लस करते गए. हमारे पास में डेसिमल नंबर आया. देन इस डेसिमल नंबर को हम लोगों ने बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट किया है.